It is not a happy moment, sir. We need to look into the reasons as to why the Congress couldn't get more than 8 seats. It's very important. Because I would say that I was expecting at least 12 to 15 seats. तो हमको ये देखना है कि हम कहाँ कमजोर हुए, क्यों कमजोर हुए. That is very important. That is why I am saying I don't want to come to Kodangal, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, in education, I'll conclude, sir. Sir, in polytechnic colleges, sir, there are 56 institutes. The sanctioned posts are 1,675, and the vacancy is 48%, sir. In junior colleges, the vacancies are 85%. Degree colleges, the vacancy is 70%. Universities, the vacancy is 68%, sir. So the vacancies in these colleges are 74%, and I hope and I believe and I trust that the Congress government would look into this and try to fill in the vacancies, sir. Sir, as per the RTI information which I received, sir, which through you I would like to bring to the kind notice of the government is that, sir, so the total number of schools are 26,065, sir. वो election से पहले कुछ करे थे, वो schools का क्या था, कुछ program करे थे. I'm just हाँ मानावाड़ी हाँ साहब मानावाड़ी प्रोग्राम करे, वो क्या प्रोग्राम हुआ, किधर पैसे गए, क्या काम हुआ, कुछ नहीं मालूम. I was just coming, the contractor said, sir, वो प्रोग्राम करा है, अब तक पैसे नहीं दिए. जरा उनके भी पैसों का देखिए साहब. And the shocking figures are, sir. So the drinking water facility available in 24,000, sir. Agar if we have to see, sir, the drinking water, there are more than 10% schools जहाँ पे drinking water is not there. Compound walls, sir, schools में नहीं है, are 34%. Sir, electricity जो schools में नहीं है 6%. Playground जहाँ नहीं है वहाँ 40%. Computer rooms जहाँ नहीं है 38%. Toilets जहाँ नहीं है 12%. Additional classrooms 8%. Science lab जहाँ नहीं है वहाँ पे 79%, sir. Sir, so I would like to come on record and request the government of the day to kindly take special importance on education sector, sir. It has been neglected, sir. The literacy rate has come down, and this BRS has really neglected, sir. And finally, going ahead, sir, I would like to speak and conclude by saying about the Waqf Board, sir. Waqf Board and the Home Department, I would say, sir. Sir, Waqf Board. मैं चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब से कहूंगा कि माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर भी आपके हाथ में है. सर, ये वक्फ बोर्ड का एक ऑफिसर है जो माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट में 22 साल से है, सर. 22 years, sir. 22 years, sir, he is into minority welfare department. अब बड़े बड़े लोग पूरा पुश कर रहे हैं कि ये 22 years से जो माइनॉरिटी ऑफिसर है, he is in charge of minority welfare, he is in charge of Hajj, he is in charge of Waqf Board, उसको इंचार्ज एडिशनल दे दिए. सर, 22 साल से है. ऑफिसर्स ये डिपार्टमेंट से वो डिपार्टमेंट जाते हैं. मैं नाम लेना नहीं चाहता ऑफिसर का, इट इज नॉट राइट. But 22 years, sir, he is going to be now he wants to become a CEO now. He wants to become a CEO, sir. Sir, you would be surprised, sir, there is one work property at Abbots by the name Moin Manzil, Honorable Speaker, sir. Through you, I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable CM Saab. CM साहब, आपको सुन के हैरत होगी कि एबिट्स पे एक मोइन मंजिल एक वक्फ प्रॉपर्टी है जिसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए मैंने कोर्ट से स्टे लिया. वक्फ बोर्ड इन कोल्यूजन with the people who want to take that property, which was registered work property, which I went to the court and I cancelled the registration. तो इसके stay मिला, registration cancel हुई. Work board and that owner, they make me a party and they went to the court, sir. I was in London, I got information. मुझे पार्टी बनाए. वो अच्छा हुआ कि मैं अपने वकील को बोल के वहां गया. The Chief Justice gave left and right to the Work Board Council, sir. Left and right. How do you bring the Akbar Owaisi's name in this? How can you ask about Akbar Owaisi? No, and he dismissed the petition, sir. Sir, इस तरीके से पूरे वक्फ प्रॉपर्टीज तबाह बर्बाद हो रहे हैं, सर. वक्फ के प्रॉपर्टीज, they've lost the case, sir. Viceroy Hotel House Committee, sir, in spite of having all the documents which prove that the Viceroy Hotel is a property owned by Waqf, the Waqf Board had lost the case, sir. Ali Saad Ashur Khane ka gaya, Mamitpalli, sir, there's a line of cases, sir. Sir, through you, I request the Honorable Chief Minister Saab, sir, I had been demanding that a CBCID inquiry should be ordered, and the BRS government had ordered a CBCID inquiry on Waqf properties, on Waqf board, sir. I request you to please call the CBCID department people and ask them till where have they reached, what is the findings, who are the people, कौन है वो लोग जो वक्फ की जायदाद को तबाह करे, बेचे, उन सारे लोगों को हथकड़ी डाल के जेल में भी जाना साहब। साहब अब तक सीबीसीआईडी की रिपोर्ट इंक्वायरी क्या हुई साहब? मुतवल्ली बना दे रहे, ये जिसको देखो ओट आता बोल के दे रहे, लेफ्ट एंड राइट सर, वी आर लूजिंग केसेस। सर you please find out, sir, the ministry comes under you, sir, Honorable CM, sir. Please call and ask them how many cases the Waqf board has lost in 1 year, sir. They have lost all major cases, sir. Guttala Begumpet, they have lost it, sir. Waqf board, they are just losing left and right, sir. Sir, you need to constitute the Waqf board, sir. I'm telling you, sir, if the Waqf properties are protected, sir, you need not give anything to Muslims, sir. The Waqf board can take care of the Muslims. Their poverty can be finished, sir. Education ka, employment का, हर एक चीज का जवाब वक्फ बोर्ड में है, सर. प्लीज सर, मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, ये वक्फ बोर्ड का देखिए, तबाही और बर्बादी हो रही है. जेल में डालिए साहब इन लोगों को जो अल्लाह की अमानत, अल्लाह की जमीन को बेचे. सर, फ्रॉम लास्ट 25 years, sir, I am fighting, screaming, shouting for protection of waqf land, sir. Sir, through you, I kindly, humbly, I plead and I request that please protect the waqf properties, sir. Please protect. ये किसी के बाप की जागीर नहीं है, sir. This is the property of Allah, sir. Almighty Allah, sir. When they were agitating for Telangana, sir, with me, the BRS went to the court stating that Hussain Shah Wali Dargah land 1,600 acres is a waqf land. They were party with me. The TRS, KCR Saab was there. Sir, we got an order in our favor stating that that land is there. This TRS government, which claims to be the champions of minorities, yehi government, Supreme Court may gave an affidavit stating that this long land doesn't belong to Waqf board, sir. I went to the Supreme Court also, we fought and we lost the case, sir. Sir, I request, sir, please protect the Waqf properties, sir. सर, वक्त प्रॉपर्टीज पे अगर कोई बिल्डिंग्स आ गए हैं तो मैं वो बिल्डिंग्स को खाली कराऊं नहीं बोलूंगा आपको. आप वो जमीन किसी को अलॉट कर रहे हैं तो ले लो नहीं बोलूंगा.